This is a 15-minute guided meditation for the Sun in Libra. My name is Kat, and you are watching the Soul Sister channel. The purpose of this meditation for the Sun in Libra, where we will be using the affirmation, I set my sights on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow outer world distractions to pull me off my path. As we work with this guided meditation, we are going to become familiar with being at peace. This 15-minute guided meditation will help us learn to develop total indestructible peace within ourselves so that we can experience that peace in the outer world. We are going to be working on developing our relationship with our higher self, embracing our true authentic self and our purpose. And in that space, when we are connected, we do experience total peace. And as we experience it more on a regular and routine basis, we will be able to take that energy of total peace into the outer world and be able to stay in that space and not allow any of the outer world distractions to pull us off our path. Let's begin by finding a nice, quiet, safe space where we will be undisturbed for the next 15 minutes. And in this space, we might want to visualize a very special place, a very special and safe place in our minds that we go, that we experience peace. It could be the beach. It could be in the deep forest. It could be on a mountaintop. Find that space where we find peace. Let's experience the space around us. What do we see? Take it all in. Take in all the colors, the pastels, how the colors blend together. Is there any activity? Are there any animals? See our safe space. Here, let's listen. What do we hear? Do we hear any birds, dolphins? What do we hear? The buzzing of insects. The snowflake as it hits the windowsill and melts. Is there a sound? Listen. What do we hear? Smell. What are the scents? Smell our space, our safe space. Are they the scents of the ocean or a breeze or a campfire or maybe some good food? Ah. We are feeling so content. So at peace. Now, let's take 3 deep cleansing breaths as we release all the negativity and darkness. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity from our physical etheric bodies. Let it all go. See all the pain, all the discomfort, all the illness. See it all flowing out of our bodies, flowing away. Let's take a second breath. On the second breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. We see it all flowing, see all this darkness just flowing. All our sadness, all our grief, all our unworthiness, all our lack. We see it all flowing out and flowing away. Let's take one more breath. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the negativity flowing out of our bodies, all our tendency to criticize, to judge, to be cruel, hurtful. We see it all flowing away. We see all our fear. We see it all leaving our body. It's all flowing away. Now, we visualize our entire bodies, all of them, our physical etheric, emotional astral, mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the bodies being filled by this beautiful white light. This white light is made up of white light, love, and the will to good. We can see it filling every inch of all our bodies with this beautiful white light. We see this white light filling our bodies, and then we see it expanding out and forming a protective bubble around us. This bubble, we see it. It's made up of white light, love, and the will to good. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. Let's experience the beauty of this white light that is surrounding us in this bubble. Feel it. Feel it renewing us, healing us, transforming us. Now, while we are in this space of white light, connected to our higher self, we are going to say the Sun in Libra affirmation. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me off my path. We are going to say the affirmation together one more time. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me off my path. We see our northern light. What does that look like to us? Is it a star? Is it a beautiful orb of white light or golden light? This northern light is our higher self. How do we see our higher self? Picture ourselves connecting with a line of lighted energy to our higher self, however we see it. Feel that energy embracing our entire body, warming us, healing us, renewing us. Feel what it's like to be loved unconditionally. No reservations, including all imperfections. Feel being totally embraced by love for who we are. Feel the peace. Now, come back to our safe space. Let's wiggle our fingers, wiggle our toes, open our eyes if we have had them closed and see our safe space. We can come to this safe space anytime we want to connect with our higher self, that beautiful northern light. Whether it's a star, an orb, and we take today we take with us into the outer world this total peace, this indestructible peace. No outer world distractions can pull us out of this peace or off our path. Make it a wonderful day. Life is lived from the inside out. Namaste.